Make ready.
I didn't invite you to go to that shoot, but I don't have a passport.
Well, if you go up there, you can shoot with Hazel.
I bet you find that comical, don't you? I figured you might.
Right. I'm leaving now.
Are you ready? Stand by.